Hello, welcome back to the Greener Lawn. Today we'll be doing a mow, a trim, putting down some RGS and microgreen, and it'll be a no throw on the Milo. Stay tuned. If you like my content, please like and subscribe below. On to the next. Getting out into the lawn today, I was excited. It's July 7th. It's that time of year where you get out, you get down some good products just to maintain our green. We aren't trying to push too much growth. We aren't trying to push too much stress on the lawn. We're looking more at what we can do to improve the situation. I was excited because I get to throw down my RGS and my microgreen. I was excited because I get to throw down Milorganite. No throw on Milo. With this shortage, it's affecting lots of people. It's not the end by any means. Just because we can't get this throwdown doesn't mean that it's gonna hurt everything. Yeah, it won't give us that little bit of a boost, but Milo will be back in stock one day, and we will be able to get it down. So until then, I'm doing a couple of different things. I'm actually looking at applying a different product, and if I do, I'll keep you guys in the loop. Moving forward, I've been dealing with a seed stock issue. As you can kind of see, still have some in my patch right there. Have a little bit over there, but a lot of it is gone, and a lot of it came back, and it's looking a lot better. I noticed that the seed stock really affected the areas where it was more compact because of that excavator driving on it. It did a number, but it's all starting to come back. That's where most of that seed stock actually went. Where that excavator did not drive, right up in here, didn't really get any seed stock. Really looked really good over in there, especially up there. Seed stock's just a way of your lawn telling you that it's stressed. It's having a hard time. And it's having a hard time because of those manual compactions and stuff that I did to it, putting in my landscaping. So it's going away. It's not a huge deal to have a little bit of seed stock. It goes away in time. When I did my mow, when I went lower, it helped it out. It didn't completely eradicate it, but I didn't go lower than 3.5 inches. And when you do those mows, you're supposed to take it down to like 2 inches so that you're really chopping into that seed stock. I didn't want to go that low. It's been in the high 90s, low hundreds here over the past couple of weeks. I don't want to stress my lawn any more than what it's already stressed. It's gonna do fine. So today out in the lawn, looked really good. Got down a really good application of RGS and microgreen. I used RGS and microgreen in the same tank at 3 ounces per 1,000. So that means each tank that I do will cover 5,000 square feet. I have an 8,000 square foot lawn. So that takes me 1 full tank and 5/8 of a second tank to be able to apply it to my whole lawn. So they get even coverage. Looks really good. I was actually contemplating kicking it up because I didn't have the Milorganite on hand, but I'm doing really good other than the seed stock. So I'm not too worried about it. I'm not stressing over it. Yeah, I could apply more RGS and microgreen, but I don't really need to. Everything's going in the right direction. Short of the seed stock, everything's fine. And even with the seed stock, everything's fine. Not gonna push nothing major onto it. Would it hurt it? No, it would help it, but I don't need to push it. No need to. I can just wait for the Milorganite. Once Milorganite comes back into stock, I can just put it down at that time. Not a big deal. I'm Jeremy of The Greener Lawn. Make her green.